how to customize the power button options on the Google Pixel 8 Pro. Now this should also work for Google Pixel 8 and most Google Pixel phones. To get started, first go to Settings. Now in the settings, search for Gestures. Click on the Gestures and then click on Gestures again. Now scroll down. Now click on Press and Hold Power button. Now by default, when you press and hold the power button, it will show you the power menu. So this is where you can call for emergency, lock your phone down, you can restart your phone or power off. So you can change this function to something else like the digital assistant. So now when you press and hold the power button, your Google Assistant will be activated.
Okay, I understand.
This is just an example. There's also an option to control how long you should press the button for the assistant to be activated. So you can make it a longer press so that you can avoid accidents, or you can keep it at the default. So that's how to customize the power button options on your Google Pixel 8. Thanks for watching.